Yeah, man, sir. You know what you're saying about Marshall Montana. Watch that now. Go do it.
One love, one beat, that's the sound of unity. This is the dance of victory. One love, one soul, one people. One word, one love, one people. Hey, say this is how we roll. We rough, we tough, we bold. We come, we take control, and we take it up to the world. We got style, we got soul. Dancing is in our blood. One love is all we know, and we take it up to the world. So bring the beat that drives us, beat that brings us alive. One sound that
Hi, SQF means Social Creative Force. By the way, my name is Sipura. Alam nyo, kahit bago pa lang ako dito sa Bigo, ramdam ko kaagad kung gaano kayo kabait at kagaling makisama, especially kay founder. Solid talaga kayo. Ang galing nyong magbigay ng payo at ang sayo nyo kausap. Parang matagal na akong part ng pamilya natin. Sobrang thankful ako na naging party ako ng SQF kasi hindi lang talent ang meron dito kundi tunay na pagkakaibigan at supportahan. Salamat sa inyong lahat and more Mansari pa tayo together. SQF, stay strong. Maraming salamat kay founder at sa lahat ng nandito sa SQF. Bye.
Happy second anniversary, SQF. Thank you very much for being part of this family. I wish that SQF will last longer and grow more. Thank you to the head founder and officer for tirelessly teaching, supporting, and guiding us all. Stay strong and God bless. Happy second anniversary again. Bye-bye.
Hello SQF family, a pleasant evening to each and everyone. I'm Jovi. I would like to say a happy second monthsary to my beloved SQF. Celebrating 2 months with you guys is very incredible. Yes, to be honest, it's very incredible. Thank you for accepting me as I am here in our family, because here I find also a true friendship, not only friendship but like an example of good family. I'm so grateful for the memories we've created here to making countless more. And I would like to say thank you so much po sa mga bumuo ng SQF. Thank you so much po kay founder, kay secretary, co-founder, kay manager. Thank you so much po kasi kahit po kami is mga baguhan lang, hindi nyo po sa amin pinaramdam na yung may kulang kaming kaalaman. Kasi talagang hinuhubog nyo po kami or talagang pinoprotektahan nyo po kami. Nafe-feel ko po yun guys. Hindi lang naman po siguro ako kasi talagang yung unity, yung team nandun po talaga. Thank you so much. Love you all.
Hi! Happy second anniversary SQF. Thank you sa pagtanggap ninyo sa akin dito, lalo na kang Founder Pain. Thank you po. Then, ang masasabi ko lang po, sana stay strong po itong fam natin. Love lang ako guys. Walang iwanan tayo dito. And, yun lang po. Happy second anniversary SQF. Thank you. Bye!
Bumabati ako ng happy second anniversary sa ating lahat, buong SQF fam. At sana magkita-kita pa tayo at umabot pa tayo sa maraming taon. Hindi lang anniversary, kundi decades ng pagsasama. Maraming salamat din kay Bunso, kay Founder Pain sa pagbuo na itong family na to. At hindi dahil sa kanya, hindi ko alam kung saan ako ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung sino tutulong sa akin. Kaya mula sa puso ko po, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. At muli, happy second month sa atin.
Hello, dear SQF family. Happy second month. Today, we celebrate the bond we build, the support we share, and of course, the joy we found to each other. And to all members and big hosts, thank you for your dedication and positivity. Cheers to more milestone and memories. Together, ang wish ko sana lumaki pa yung family natin, dumami pa tayo. And of course, thank you sa mga officer na sobrang tiyaga at sipag para lang dumami pa tayo. Maraming salamat!
Happy second month, Sir SQFM and agency. Thank you for love, support, and unity you've shown since day one. And let's continue to grow, shine, and prove that together we are stronger. More memories, more success, and more fun ahead. Long live SQF and agency. I love you all.
Hello, my name is Christine from SQF Farm. Happy second monthsary. And thank you sa bumubuo ng PAM na to. Wish ko lang umangat pa yung PAM natin and sana magtulungan tayong lahat. And sana mas magandang samahan pa yung maging ano natin dito, maraming memories na mangyari na magaganda, and sana mas dumami pa tayo dito sa SQFM natin, and support tayo sa lahat ng mga kasama natin, lalo na sa lahat ng bago, and sa founder natin na si Founder Pain, na sana wag niyong maging support tayo sa kanya at tulungan din natin siya sa lahat ng bago, kasi siya yung gagabay sa ating lahat. And thank you so much sa SQFM. Solid SQFM. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest. You can beat the world, you can beat the war, you can talk to God, go banging on his door. You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock, you can move a mountain, you can break rocks. You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you go find yourself standing in the Hall of Fame. Yeah. And the world's gonna know your name. Yeah. 'Cause you burn with the first flame. Yeah. And the world's gonna know your name. Yeah. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run the mile, you can walk straight through hell with a smile. You could be the hero,